Hi everyone, I hope you're doing good. So today we are going to discuss on the weekly monthly iron fly combination, which we have been discussed in one of my previous video theoretically. I think there is a lot of request asking for the simulation, so I'm going to do it in the simulator for the first time. So I just practiced a little bit, but I have to get used to it. So my plan is to make like this. We will make a series of videos. Uh, so I'll start with January 2023 backwards, and then we'll make for December last year 2022, and then November, and October and September. 5 videos at least I'll make in a series for the same combination to see the workingness of this strategy, different market conditions. And if I get good subscription and likes for this, I'll understand you're liking it. I'll go for this. So in between we'll also see some other uh, what do you say, strategies like calendar for low weeks and spreads for directional, and weekly iron fly for beginners and monthly iron fly. So the combination is very complicated for the beginners, so that's why I'll make separate videos on this. But today I will discuss combination, so it's going to be a very advanced and premium topic. It's going to be time taken. I think you can watch it because we all need profits, so this is going to give you hint how to get the profits. Let's get into without delay. We'll get into the this thing. I have selected already January just to save the time, and also the candle I just boxed. I also used system calculated resistances. So from 29th end we are going to start. Okay, that means the expiry ends and 29th, right? So we'll start from 30th, or end of the day at some 3:20, 3:15. So we will start from here for the chart patterns, and we will go till January 25th. 26th is already, guys. So it's going to be from 30th, in fact. So there is a gap up, and you see there is a good resistance here, right? You can play for intrinsic here, bringing the opposite leg closer. But in the beginning, if you don't want to do it, that's fine, because it is just out of the fly, and probably we can take decision somewhere at this point or this point. So there is a good rejection, and it is trying to break the resistance, but there is a good rejection from there. So you can definitely take somewhere here. There is an inside candle also. If you know chart patterns, that will be good. So inside calendar, sorry, inside candle bar. So here you can bring the opposite leg, and there is a reversal also at this support. So you can just play a small here, but when it breaks again this place, you can just again go for it and till here support and wait. So you can take decisions at every level. So I'm not going to explain in detail about this reversal pattern, and because the weekly combination is going to take a lot of time, so I'm not going to spend much time on this. Understand this logic. At reversal here you're going to take the decision, but it is again reverse, but you don't have to worry, go with the process. So if it crosses this lower level, so at this place again you have to take that buy leg decision. So there are multiple places here also you can take that buy leg decision, and see there is a pivot, central pivot, rejection, and here you can take again decision, and this is a fake breakout. Here you can take decision, strong support after these three. Here you can take decision. I'm just giving an examples. So here they formed a good support, sorry, resistance. So you can also take decision at this place and this place for sure, because there was multiple support and rejections earlier also. It's a good support, right? So you can play for this rejection, bringing the P side closer and exiting from C. booking from CEA leg. Okay, so this is going to be very lengthy. Okay, I think we till 25th, right? I don't have to stay till 27. Yeah, why it is 27? Yeah, here 25th. Let's get in. I think it's very lengthy video it's gonna be, so I will see what is the sorry, capital required for this. I just tried already, so we can sell 4 legs from the opposite side, but initially we'll see the condition in Excel. On Ironfly, and it takes 285. If you sell both C and P to 2 legs, somewhere around 3 legs, so I have 3.5 legs for testing one lot, at least 3.5 leg. And if you are already aiming for good earnings more than 10, 15, 20 lakhs, you practice, I mean, you have to do it with 4 lakhs per lot, monthly buy legs, and sell legs will decide 1:2. And when last 2 days of expiry, 1:4. For every 1 leg of monthly, 2 legs of weekly, and last 2 days, 4 legs of weekly. Okay, and if your capital is more than 20 lakhs, you have to go for 5 lakhs per lot. Be safe, don't be greedy, and you can still earn good profit with having so less lots. Let's get in. So I'll just see at somewhere around 3 o'clock, and we are doing at Bank Nifty, guys. Okay, in the Bank Nifty. So at 3 I'm going to get the option chain. So for monthly I'll go for a spot as for a future, and spot is for weekly because that is close to this, and for monthly go with the future, and both are almost same. So 43,000 is what I think we are going to use. So it is having a good difference. I have to look for the closer ones. I think this one is having less difference. We'll sell that one lot, and sorry, sell one lot, and 1400 points is some of the premiums. So 1400 above is 44,600, and the first 2 days you can also still go away from that. Just go little away and buy. So initial days, right, that's not a problem. And 43,200 minus 1400 is 41,800. Let's see how our employee looks. We have taken less risk at the put side. Okay, that's not going to affect much. Don't have to be exactly close. So this is almost 1:2. And now we will go ahead whenever I will see the Excel sheet actually. So in the weekly, 200 points down move or up move. First 3 days will sell 1:2 for every 1 lot, 2 lots of weekly with 50 premium, and whenever 70% decayed, exit and come closer, maybe at 40. And last 2 days of expiry, 1:3 and 1:4 we can follow, and we'll sell it with some 30 to 40 based on the premium in the monthly options. I'll explain a little faster. You can repeat that video and see again and again, because it's going to be 2 hours video, I guess. Conditions for monthly. So whenever there is opposite resistance, bring the opposite leg closer and book the intrinsic value for the strong support and resistance. This I'm not going to do it today because otherwise I have to spend 3 hours. So I give you the logic, so you have to book it. And so I think profit today will be less because I'm not going to bring this in all the instances. Very few instances I'm going to bring these legs closer. Okay, so if buy and sell leg difference of the monthly is less than 100, exit them, and you can have only one spread from the opposite side, and other side you can keep selling the weekly options. So that's the idea. Now let's get into this. So let's move by. You can keep watching this spot price for weekly. We'll target the spot price every 200 points move. Okay, there is a good 300 points move to the upside. So straddle is sitting at 43,200 and we are at 43,300, right? I mean, you can still wait for some more movement. 104 points exactly at the straddle. So there is not much move exactly at the straddle. So I'm just watching this spot price and moving, guys. Actually, we started the straddle at this place only. So, but still we'll keep selling from opposite side. If it goes below 43,000, that's going to be less than, I mean, more than 200 points down more. Then we'll sell weekly. Yeah, so now we can sell the weekly. So first week expiry is 5th and get option chain, as I said, 2 lots and 50 rupees premium for first 3 days, and we will hedge it for the margin benefit and any, you know, when it moves upside somewhere around 5 will sell. Buy 1:10, buy and sell like ratio. You can follow that. It's not a hard rule. You can make your own logic, guys. So as you keep practicing that, you will get a lot of ideas. You can just customize this to your own way. Guys, there is a defect in the tool, so it moves back to 5th, but don't worry about it. You can still take it to 25th of January. So if I move this is going to hang. This I made this, tried to make this video for 2 days. Because of this error, 6 hours for every 2 hours video, and I wasted 2 days, and I'm getting good blames from my wife and kid. So sitting on the third day continuously, now I'm not going to touch this, but here we will move till this 25th. Okay, let's see if there is a big move here, and we can see this payoff graphs looks ugly because of the combination. It is not showing good. We'll see the P&L table. So that's a drawback in option Opstar. But since if as soon as you book the weekly options, now it shows very good, and I can make gradation very well. But I have to see the price here probably. So I mean, once you are used to these iron flies, you can take the decisions without seeing payoff graphs. And watch here. And is there any resistance at our chart pattern? So on 30th, so there is one at 43,400. Rejection here, and we can take good decision here. Strong rejection. It was making higher and higher highs here, and it was a strong rejection. As soon as this inside candle, we can take the decision, but it is reverse. That should be okay. We don't have to worry about this. Just see this candle, bring the P leg closer, and see also intrinsic if there is any. Let's see if there is any intrinsic value. Nothing much difference. So by seeing the price, you can take decisions once you are experienced. So there is a good up move, not a much difference in the buy price, and once it becomes 150%, we have to exit, right? I think somewhere around 78 we will have to exit if it takes 70 feet. No. And so try to understand the logic. Don't always follow the rule book. I mean, you can take some important decision based on support and resistance, and booking these legs also along with monthly. I'll go by 30 minutes, guys. Keep watching the premiums. If there is any big changes in this, we'll look for, adjustments. Otherwise, it is going to be a lot of time taking if we keep watching at future price chart patterns. I tried that. It has taken a lot of time, so decided not to see that. But I explained the logic. We will also see this simulator to give you the confidence that can be achievable. For 5 months, we'll do it continuously back to back. And post your questions under the video. Maybe I'll also discuss in the WhatsApp, or we can also make personal calls. But I am thinking about it to have one more number for this purpose and do it. Guys, I'm also working. I'm getting good salary from my company, so my trading income is now exceeded my salary. I am basically a senior project manager, so now I'm thinking whether to quit or not. So maybe once I get 3 times my salary, I can think about quitting. So that's why I'm not coming live as of now. So we'll see live. Very few people know me. Basically, who am I? I think if you come to know, don't reveal it. So we can see if there is any opposite leg available cheaper than this in the monthly. So this switching may impact this tool and it gets hanged. So it is at 152p and C at 219, right? So just see the closest legs. If there is an intrinsic value between the other side, in book the intrinsic, there is nothing much. And the other side, you can still come closer. See, there is not less than 15 points. So you just follow this also, just less than 15 points, and here also. And will not go very close. I will come till this point. This is one lot and exit this at 152. And there is not much decay as of now. Let's move by 30 minutes. So there won't be much intrinsic here also in the buy leg, because so the difference should be like more than 50, 60, 70. You will understand if there is an intrinsic. Because of the low wicks, the premiums are very low in that month. Otherwise, they used to be very good. So I think we can book this 70% decay and we can come closer. The C side, right? Roughly, you can, I don't want to calculate for everything. So roughly, you can take a decision. So if you can move 15 minutes more. Let me book this, guys. So it is at 18.5. And monthly, I will just go for a January, get option chain, and quickly take somewhere around 45 to 50. Yeah, this I will sell. We already have the sell buy leg. Now this is going to be increasing. So I think in the end of the month, around 5,000 you pay as a broker. For 1 lot, I think anyways you are practicing. Your profit is somewhere around 21,000. You can still give the 5 to 10,000 for brokerage and other charges. For guys who are earning, that is with 20 lakhs, so it's not a big deal. 5 to 10,000, and so not much difference. And here, not much difference. And what about the buy leg? Weekly, I'm going 30 minutes because of the weekly sell. So if you go exactly to the chart support and resistance, we miss out these distances. And expiry is on 5th, right? So we can take 1:4 now. So we are at 2 lots. Guys, I think I'll just modify this. Can I modify? No, but I'll add 3 more lots. You can stay a little away now. I mean, you don't have to climb to 50 at the money or something. Yeah, so anyways, I'll sell 3 more lots as we are close to expiry, and I have to buy 1:4 is somewhere around 4 rupees. So I can just do this. Already I have 2 buy legs, 2 more. Yeah, 2 here and 2 here. I just sold by mistake one, so we are close to expiry. So now this side we cannot see. Let's see this price itself. There is any big change? We'll have a look. Not much change. So see the selling legs. There is nothing much change. Not a big change. So there is slump down move. So if it is less than 15, I think I'll go for a closer ones. So we still have premium, so we don't have to come closer. But last day, no expiry. If market opens at the same place, there will be a decent decay. And let's see at 5 minutes. If it is decayed, I can come closer for 30, 40 again. So what I'll do, I'll exit all this and come closer, because if high chances probability market either moves 100 points up or down, or just opens at the same place. So if there is a very big gap up, we'll be see the premium at P leg. So both are almost same. So let's not take much risk. Let's go. If this P is somewhere around 1000, then we can take additional risk. So dynamic decisions. If you understand the logic, you can take these dynamic decisions. So it is less than 15. I think we can book these two and come closer to some 30 rupees. Yeah, 13.35, right? 0.35. Now, so we will go closer option chain, right? Hit option chain and we'll go closer expiry day, and let's see the opposite premium. It's not much difference, so don't take too much of risk. For C, we can take some risk, call side, but not too much, because of the if there is a good premium in the P monthly sell, we can take risk. I hope you understand that logic. It will protect from the big reversal. That's the funda. You will get a lot of ideas when you keep doing these things. No, you will get a lot of the math will be sitting at your head. Analysis. Keep analyzing the things. It goes below 12. I'll take the come closer. See if there is any good change. Okay, there is a reversal, but we have not impacted because of the OTM at last day of the expiry. Below 12. Okay, so now I will exit and come closer to 25 or something. 0.2. So what's the time now? I think 11:25. We still have time. So let's come closer somewhere 25. sell these positions. So I'm not telling exact price here. So 1 day left. So first 3 days use, as I said, 50 or a little less, and last 2 days 30, 40, 20. Play with that. If it is very closer to expiry, 20 is still fine. But you have good protection. This side I will go for 33 now. As I said, these two difference is good, and we are away from straddle. I will just sell 30 more than that now. Let me delete that. Get option chain. So you can also parallelly watch the buy legs. I'm not doing much with that, and because I'm going to make separate video on that. Now if I think about making video on that, I'll end up in 3-4 hours. I'll lose patience for entire 1 month in 1 hour 2 hours. It's not going to be easy, guys. Okay, and there is should be some intrinsic. Let's see for the intrinsic. Okay, so we have one leg at 94, and if there is any intrinsic, we can see. I think premium is very low because low weeks. I mean, I'm seeing monthly. Generally, it will not be this monthly expiry. So you will have very good premium. Somewhere around 330, right? So if we go, I think you'll get some 27. Not much intrinsic. It should be like 80 rupees, 60 rupees, more than 50 at least, so that we can book and move away to the ATM. So some months you will get very good premium, but some months very low premium. And at the same time, market movements, if there is a volatile, then you will be like hurted a lot. So you will be like hunted and stop losses. Okay, and now what have we done? Nothing, right? So this premiums will not worry because of the low wicks. Intrinsic is very low, and if it comes below 10, we can come closer. So we are another 3 hours left or 2 hours. So there is high chance it decay faster as we are very close to expiry. So it is less than 10. I'm going to book this at 8.9 and come closer. We just have another 2 hours. I'll not go for very high premium, target somewhere around 20, and at the same time see the CP. There is not much difference. I mean, there is C is more, so, and straddle 4300. Currently it is still down. Target for 20 because opposite is not going to protect you much at position. And you can also see weekly buy leg. If it is 2 is still fine, 1 is to 2, right? And is there a big move? There is some 100 points move, but still there is some good decay happened, and we are close to expiry. Let's see if there is any big down move, then we'll book this. Otherwise, let's go with whatever premium we have. Do we need to book it? And let's not. We are at 3 o'clock, and that's going to be expire worthless decay, and we are done with the first week. Okay, now we are at 315 and the market is still at the down from the straddle. We can aim again the CE cell for the next week, right? So this is 0.6. You can ignore booking these values, so there will not be any brokerage charge for that, because auto exit will happen or whatever. So you will not be charged. If you exit manually, you will be charged 20 rupees. What I am charging, I don't want to have too many legs open. for that is training, and your capital will be like not be seen, it will be blocked till the next day. So, and you will be into panic mode. If you want, book it, otherwise save the brokerage. Why not booking? Okay, so we are done with the first week. I think somewhere around, so 4% in the first week itself. If you are a one lot guy, or 4 lots, 3%. 4 lakhs means 3%. I'm counting with 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs into, okay, 3%. 3%. Okay, I think let's go for the next week expiry, 12th Jan. Oh my god, it is so much time taking, guys. And get option chain and look for 52 lots C. Okay, so and 1:5, somewhere around 5, 1:10, right? Okay. Now we have to buy legs here, sell legs, and let's see if we have any intrinsic, or if we can bring the C closer. So 75, 310, right? Is there any intrinsic? For reversal, you can just book this and move away. But I'm just looking for the intrinsic. There is nothing. And 75, are we getting some cheaper legs? 10, 10. Yeah, till here we can come. I'm not looking for the chart patterns as of now. That was, I tried that. It is taking tremendous time. So I explained the logic. Next video, if you really want that reverse buying, I mean, here we will not see much profit because we are going to miss that intrinsic reverse buying, but still okay. So I hope you understand why I tried for 2 days, guys. Sorry for it. If you really want it, let me know. With that, what will be our profit? But see, even real time, no, I will also plan for this. What do you say? Telegram channel where I deploy something, and day by day basis will give the which leg I am buying, which leg I am selling. So that is going to be easy. I will do that opposite leg buying, reversal, everything in that, and it is easy for me to give you guys. So we booked intrinsic. It's not intrinsic. Purchased up by the opposite one. By the my language is also gone now. Let me have some water. Okay, and let's move ahead. 42,600 for weekly. Just see this spot. So there is some down move, and there is oh, what has just happened? Okay, this is by leg weird. This is the one. 30 minutes again. There is some down move. If there is 70% decay, somewhere around 15, we can exit and come closer. Not much movement. So there is some good down move. Now we can take extra risk. I will tell you why. So you see this, the difference, and what is the difference between the buy legs? 63. We still have more than 100, somewhere around 200, 150. So if it is less than 100 difference, we'll exit those two. We'll play with this. That is going to be fun. And where are we sitting here? And is there 50? Now it should be okay. Because of the low premium, you see the decay for so much of fall, nothing has happened. Now it should go, guys. Now ticking because of the low premium. It is having only the time value, intrinsic value, everything is gone. There is some formula to calculate the premium prices. Black swan something, I don't remember. You don't have to worry about it. If you want information, just Google it. Black shovel something. So there is some reversal, so you can still see this. It's not much loss. So there is good reversal, but our sell leg is not hurting us. And what about our, where is the buy leg? Okay, sorry, I was looking for buy leg. It is here. We can also look for the intrinsic now, if there is any intrinsic. 323. I mean, there is intrinsic, but if you see the difference, no, very less. There is no point in booking. Let's move and see. Not much movement. So we are 12th is expiry, 11th we'll sell 4 log. Not much movement. There is some reversal. Let's see if it becomes 150%, we'll have to exit. Not much movement. We'll see for 100 points or more. Yeah, there is good 100 points more. So we have 18.8. I think we can book it and come closer. Let's see the difference here. There is good difference. I think I'll book it and come to somewhere around 40. You can take that risk. Not risk, actually we have good protection from opposites. 18.8. So what's that? And we want 12th expiry, right? Get option chain. Somewhere around 43 I'll sell 2 lots. And how is our buy leg of the week? So still good. And we have this. Not much movement. Not much. Will react for more than 100 points movement. Oh, there is good reversal, I guess. So if we it is more than 150%, that is somewhere around 62, 63, we'll exit. Let's move by 15 points. So here we have good premium, so you can still take some risk. And let's go to the next day, 10th, and see what happened to our leg and selects. And intrinsic, now I can see some intrinsic, I guess. So there is no intrinsic, but as I said, for reversal you can book it and take the ITM ones, right? So that I hope you do it by yourself. It's very difficult in 1 hour or 2 hour simulation to do all that. That's very simple, guys. So anyways, we are going to do separate monthly ones. There I'll show you. So not much movement. If it goes below 15, if it goes below 20 also will come, because look at this difference and now see the difference between these two. It is around 150. Okay, if it is below 20, I will exit this and come closer, because I have protection from put side 20, and I will sell 4 lots. No, it's still 3 more days, right? 2 is still fine. Two lots of this. Not much movement. Let's see if it goes below 20, then I've taken 20. I mean 20 is my decision because of this difference. Now there is one more thing we have to look, and this difference is 150, so less than 100. So, but yeah, less than 100 will follow that. Sometimes, I mean, plus or minus 10 also you can just consider based on the opposite premium. And where is our sell like? Not much movement. Not much movement. Okay, there is some 150 points, but we still have 35 rupees premium. 40 rupees premium. Some good down move. If it is below 20, I can sell. I can sell now, because I'll sell somewhere around 40 to 50, guys, because there is huge premium. The P, and what's the date? So now I'll sell 4 lots somewhere around 40, because last 2 days of expiry. One is to 10, somewhere around 4. I'll buy 2 more legs, right? Because we have only 2 buy legs already. And that buy leg is okay, some 1 is to 10. And now see how the market moves. So there is some reversal happen, and I'll wait for more points, because there is a good premium here. I'll wait for 100%, somewhere around 86. Let's go by 15. So that point I'll add in the Excel. So this scenario you can wait for. Okay, let's go by 5 minutes back. So 86, I'll exit here. So there is a risk also. So and 100% we exit if there is a good premium in. So if you wait for some more time looking for the reversal, you may end up getting that in the money, and that grows very fast, because we have 4 sell legs, right? Now I will sell somewhere around 44 legs. Same. Now because of this premium, can wait till 100% increase, because we are OTM, right? We are not in the money and wait for the 100%. We should not do that. OTM some 40-30, you can take a risk of 100% reverse. So if it goes below 15 now, I will book that at. If this becomes too much, I'll take decision at 20 itself. Much movement, not much movement. So let's see now. I think we are one day to expiry. Let's go by 15 minutes. So now I'll exit this because okay, we still have time, right? About 3 o'clock I'll exit. Yeah, no problem. It is more than 20. It is less than 15. I think this now we can exit and come closer. 16.3. So our buy legs, 351 and 37, and our difference is 200. So we can still keep it. So sometimes I take the decision at 150 also. If that is the case, I can sell it crazily from the opposite side, but follow that strict rules. 1 plus or minus 10, 20 is still okay, but not much difference. So I booked it. Now I go to the option chain. I'll take somewhere around 40 because of the premium in the opposite section. 4 lots. Did I take already? No. So now what I'm going to do, jump by 10 minutes, 30 minutes. It opens flat, but down will have good, not much. Expiry day. We are sitting on the expiry day. Not much difference. For 100 points, we'll react. Up, move down. It goes below 42. Okay, and yeah. So there is a decay. In real time, we'll take this station at 15 also. So let's book it and come closer somewhere around 35. That's the time. So it's this, and this premium is really good. And look at the difference now. It is 130. So what I'm going to do now, I'll exit even if it is 130, and I'll show you why I have done that. 732, right? And we are booking at 164. .5 is also there. I'll add it another, like reduce it. 35.2, 90, which one? 96 one, right? I'll make it 35. So now we have open one side, and let's see if my payoff looks lossless. Yes, 16,000, 10,000. I don't know, in Sensible it shows proper, but there is no simulator. Otherwise, it is lossless, but not showing in a proper way. Now what I will do, go to P&L, and we have 1,250. 1,257, and the difference between buy and this, we can bring that closer if okay. Let's maintain this distance. We don't have to play with this now. So now what I'm going to do, I will sell 4 lots of call I'll come closer and sell somewhere around 45, 50. I can do this due to the premium in the opposite direction, but when it crosses 100 I can exit somewhere around 100%, right? We are sitting on the last day also. Is it OTM? We will also see that 41,900 is at market. We should be 100 points away at least. If not, I will, yeah, we are somewhere 250 points away. Not a much difficult task to handle. So market is at the same place. So slight reduce last day, so there can be a good production. I think I can still come closer. By if it crosses below 25, I will come closer. Otherwise, let it be. You don't have to react for small things. Below 25 will exit. So see guys, in this we have taken a lot of dynamic decisions. So you will learn a lot, and when you used to it, you'll take a lot of decisions for sure. And there is a reversal, but still that should be fine. And now I'm sure there is a good decay. I'll come closer and sell 30. Sorry, 15.85. I will come closer based on the premium in this. I can sell to 50 else now also. It's 125. We are it. So just sell from 200 points away. Somewhere up to 50 if it is available 200 points away. So let me take this, and whenever it is 100% increased, reaches 200%, I'll exit and take the next one. So you will get to see a lot of decisions on the fly. So market, bank nifty at the same place, not much difference. So there is some reversal. Let's see what has happened. So now if it about 196, I will exit and go for somewhere around 40. So let me go back 15 minutes. So at 100 we can take decision. Minutes, there is sudden up movement, looks like. Yeah, let's move another 5 minutes. If it is 90 plus, I can exit. Oh, in that 5 minutes something has happened, but let me book at 96. Even if it is 88, let me book at 96 because we would have taken some decision at that place, right? I would have waited till 100% growth. Now I'll sell. What is the time actually? So we don't have to sell anything. Can plan for the next week. And also if you reach 10% or 7%, you can simply exit at 2 weeks also. The scene 7% was reached. Oh no, with 3 lakhs it was 7%, somewhere 5% reached. So our goal is at least 7%. Now I think it is 0.05. That's the least price we can have. And where is our buy and sell exiting? We have premium difference somewhere around 700. So now what I'll go and do, I will sell the 3rd week expiry, get option chain, and somewhere around 52 lots, not more than 50. I'll sell at this place. You know the reason, I guess, right? Put premium of the monthly 1:10, somewhere around 6. So now I will. So one thing we are missing is reverse chart patterns. So that will make a separate video only for monthly. There I'll explain. Definitely this I experimented, and it is going to be tough time for me. Is there any down move? Sorry, not noticed, but there is any big move? No. 19th is next expiry. Will react more than 50 points in the beginning of the expiry, right? So closer will react at 100 to 50. Nothing much. Nothing much. Okay, there is some reversal. If it is 150% is somewhere around 92, 93 or 97. During an expiry day, I've waited for 100% reversal for OTM this thing. So let's see if there is move by 15 points. Nothing much. I think it is not crossed 97. Now it should have crossed 97. Now I'll book this 96.5 and go for 60. Get option chain. Booked, right? Get option chain and sell 2 legs. We already have edges. And we have 800, 600 premium in one direction. And it is not much movement. Slide down more. So if it comes below 25, we come closer with the call cells. So if it is reversing and making 90, no. So there is some reversal, but still we have not lost anything much. We are profit only with the sell legs. So that the advantage you are seeing, right? OTMs you are selling, and the reversal we are not seeing. The loss. So that's the beauty of BK and OTM selling. If there is any good reversal, then we will react for 100 and 150 points mono. There is nothing much movement. Some down movement if there is below 25. No. Below 25 we can exit and come closer. I think now it should be, yeah, we'll exit this and come closer. 27, we're around close to 50 to 60. We'll plan this time. So we have 972 at this place, and buy leg 274. So let's sell. What is the expiry? 19th, and are we having, yeah, 17th, 18th we'll sell 4. Going to sell this 2 lakhs. So in our condition says 50, but I'm selling 60 because of the scenarios we have, market conditions. So there is some downfall. I think not much. So there is some reversal, and where is, and we can see book 50.25 now. Not much decay. Not much of a moment. So not much again. And now we will see if it is below 25 now. Just follow the process, guys. And of course, you have to make some dynamic decisions. So follow the process and make some dynamic decisions. Don't be greedy. Don't assume things. The reversal is not impacting us. So we are on 17th, 3 more days to go. Not much movement. Not much movement again. So it is less than 25. I think now it should be less than 25. So I'll book and come close to 50. 23.5, right? So as I said, there will be a brokerage for 1 lot, guys, but you're practicing. So more than 3 lots, 4 lots, 5 lots. So it won't impact much because of your capital, and brokerage is not of a much thing, not a big deal. So now I'll go and sell. Are we close to expiry? On 18th we'll sell 4, but now we are going to sell 2 lots, so I can sell 60 again. And what about the pilot? It is at 1:10. So let's move. 42, not much movement. We are still fine. Okay, there is some reversal happen. It is 120, we will exit, and let's see if there is any big movement. Otherwise we'll use 50. Okay, so we are on 18th. So let's move till the midday because we have good premium in the existing legs. Okay, there is a reversal. So we can exit at this place and go away with 4 lots. And what is the premium left here? So I'll go for 40 now. It's less than 1000. 116. Now we can go for 4 lots and plan for 40, 30 to 40. Yeah, this we can do. Add position and 1:4 by 4 of 2 of these. Already we have 2 by legs. I hope it is not hanged. If it hanged, I am gone. Third day, back to back. So luckily that it's not blocked or it's hanged. Okay, let's move and see. Browser in state. So there is a network disconnect, and that scared me. I hope it works now. I'm not sure. Third day it should not bang me like this. Oh my god. So we have taken 4 lots, right? And then 2 lots edging we already have, and again 2 more lots edging we have taken. And the output leg is having this premium. So let's keep watching this for a big movement. So there is a reversal. So if it is more than 100% now, that is I think somewhere around 80, I'll exit. I'll not wait for 100 because of this low premium is not that high. So 150 we can stick to 150, that is 60 to 63. Not a much movement. We are still fine. If the premium goes below 15, we can take the decision here. Not much movement, and we are 1 day before expiry. Let's see at 3 o'clock where are we sitting. So we are 22, and what about this? We still have good premium at this thing. Let's go to 15. So now I would like to exit this and come closer to 30 to 40. 19.5. So for a lengthier video, there are a lot of disturbances at home also, but yeah, there was again a disturbance at home. Okay, let's book this and we'll buy somewhere around 30 to 40. Sell 4 lots. And where is our option put? Okay, we have decent premium from that side. If it is below 15, I can exit and take 30 to 40 again. If you're doing with 3.5 lakh 1 lot, you can exit at this place point. Okay, so you already have close to 10%, some 4,000 brokerage. That's okay, I think. So now I need to sell, right, somewhere around 40, 30 to 40. This we have, and we are still out of the money. 30 to 42 600, and yeah, not a problem. Not a big move. Let's see if it is below 15. No. Below 300, I think we can take a decision, but we are close to expiry, so market if stays at the same place also will get some premium decayed faster. Yeah, now I think it should be below 15. So now we'll go somewhere around 30 to 40 again at 100 to 200 points OTM. There is some good difference. Okay, so if that reaches 80, I'll exit. Then yes, we have the stop loss, right? So it's nothing to worry. We have good premium here. Not a big reversal. Still fine. Let's see the premium now. So it is 15.25, I think. We are another 1.5 hours left to 600, and can take risk, but we will just exit below 15 and go for the next week directly. Yeah, so around 8, right? So now we are going to exit the buy leg which we had 0.05. As I said, you don't have to exit to avoid the brokerage. So after 3 weeks, so what is the, with 4 lakhs, how can you care how much? I think somewhere around 6%, right? So now we are going to sell 2 lots from the weekly, and monthly is also same. Now we are in the last weeks, right? So let's sell 2 lots around 90, because we have a good premium in the opposite put leg. 1:10. I think we can sell extra legs if this crosses 1000. And if it is 150%, it is 135, will exit. Not much movement. There is a reversal. Let's see. Yeah, we will exit that 90 and come with somewhere around 80 again. 147. And get option chain. See, we will take important decisions. We will have a good reference of monthly Ironfly. That's why we are easily selling the weekly option. If you do naked option selling, so we cannot do in the same mindset. There will be a lot of things you have to think about. So I'll sell these 2 legs. So that's why we are doing a lot of things around the fly, iron flies. You can try that. If you do it naked selling, you cannot get the same success what we are getting here, and this is consistent. And try. So if it is 100 crosses 100, we can take a call there. I'm not going with the exact benchmark number, so roughly we are calculating. So that math comes, that gut feeling of math comes when you keep doing the same thing again and again. So you can quickly take decisions. If it goes below 20, I will exit. Sorry, 25. We are still having a lot of days, so to below 25, I'll take a decision. And based on this premium, I'll also make one more decision. Not much movement. Let's see where are we sitting this premium. Sorry, at the moment I am not seeing this future spot price. Not a movement, big movement. It was very slow movement. And we are sitting on 36. Next day, 3 days to expiry. So there is some downfall or up movement. And we are at 8%. You can take decision of exiting at 8%. Let's see till the end. I generally stay till the end because my IronFly will be like loss free in the last 2 weeks, and especially in the last week it will be locked with good profit, and I'll try for the maximum profit. Okay, so the premium here is almost decayed, and we'll exit at more than 100 if it reaches more than 100, and we'll see which one to buy, sell. Not for much movement. 72 on a drag down if there is, unless there is 100 points move. Not much. We still have 3 more days for expiry, so unless there is a 100 points move, we don't have to see again and again. But I drag down. No movement. $46. Okay, let me pause for a second. I'm getting calls back to back. Sorry, I'm back. Yeah, so now just keep moving. Not much movement. So there is some reversal. Let's see if that impacted. Nothing. And 24th, there is some reversal again. Do we have good premium? So we are sitting at 35,000 already. It's taking time, guys. I think the browser is not liking so many clicks. It is started hanging. I hope we'll finish this faster. So there is slight down move, and we can book this and come closer with the 4 lots. We are just at 2 days, right? So we can sell somewhere at 50, 4 lots. $40 to $50. This I'll sell 4 lots, and 1:4 I'll just buy. This, and let's keep moving. So I would like to finish before it hangs, and I should find a way to make it proper. So if it goes below 20, we'll book it and come closer. Not much movement. Not much movement. There is some reversal, but yeah, we have not got impacted. So not much movement again. So here I'll book this and come closer somewhere around 40 to 50. And get option chain. Three people, sorry. Oh, wait a minute. So let's move ahead and see the premium. There is not much impacted. Keep moving. Not much impact. 15 minutes for the last day of expiry. And if it is below 15, we will have to come closer. 40 to 50. I'm selling this because we have some decent premium. At 75 I'll exit if it is making opposite. Not 75, I think 50% is somewhere around 80. So we have, of course, below 20. I think so. Now I can exit at 22. Again try for a 50 because we still have time, right? Okay, we still have time, and if it is 90, I'll exit and move away. Oh, there is a sudden fall. I'm not sure what has happened, and I think we can take a risk of 100 with 4 lots. 1:10. I think I will sell 4 lots here. If it is 150, I'll exit. That's, I have a backup plan, right? Even if I get closer, I have a backup plan. I'll execute that. 150, I'll exit. Let's see, where is it sitting? Okay, 24. I think I'll go closer and 80, sell 80. Okay, if it is 140, 80, 120, we can just exit from that and go a little away. Based on the put premium, we can take decision. We have huge premium sitting there. Not much movement. Let's see what as we are close to expiry. One at 8, right? 120. We are planning for 120. Let's see where are we sitting now. So, anyways, we are close to expiry. Will not worry much about it. We can exit now at 40,000. So close to 40,000. So what else we need? So for 4 lakhs, for 1 lakh guys, we were doing with 3.5, 3 lakhs. It is very good profit, more than 10%. For 4 lakhs, it is 10%. So I'm going to close this because we are already done with all the expiries. And yeah, so we'll make more videos with previous months, December, September, October, November, 5 videos. Do like and subscribe, guys. I have spent a lot of time, so I hope this is very useful. uh, Let me know for any feedback where to improve, because simulator is new to me, and we'll improve accordingly to save time, and I have to learn some tricks. Hopefully this is value added. Lengthy video. Please watch and subscribe, like, comment. Thank you. Have a nice time. Bye bye.